Discover It, secured card activation. Problems are usually caused by incorrect card information, incomplete setup steps, or an issue with the account connected to the card. By the end, you'll know how to troubleshoot a Discover It secured card that will not activate and the steps to take if activation still fails. Start by checking that you are entering the correct card information during activation. The card number, expiration date, and security code must match the details on your Discover It secured card. Use the official Discover activation process and carefully enter each detail. A small typing mistake can stop the activation from completing. If the information is correct, check your Discover account status. Activation may fail if there are unfinished account steps or information that needs to be confirmed. Log in to your Discover account and review any alerts or messages. Complete any required actions before trying to activate the card again. If you are activating a replacement card, make sure you are using the new card details. An older card number may not work after a replacement has been issued. You can also try activating your card through a different method. If you started online, try the available activation option through Discover's official channels. If the activation page is not working correctly, check your internet connection and try again later. Browser problems or temporary technical issues can prevent the activation page from completing the request. Make sure your Discover mobile app is updated if you are using the app for activation. An outdated app version can sometimes cause features to load incorrectly. If your Discover It secured card still will not activate, contact Discover customer support. Explain what happens during activation and provide any error message you see. Include whether the issue happens when entering your card details, submitting the activation request, or after the activation process appears complete. This information helps support identify the problem faster. Avoid repeatedly entering the same information without checking your details first. Incorrect information will continue causing the same activation issue. The fastest fixes are verifying your card details, checking your Discover account for pending steps, trying the official activation process again, and contacting Discover if the problem continues. To recap, a Discover It secured card that will not activate is usually linked to incorrect information, incomplete account setup, or a technical issue. Check your details, review your account, and use official Discover support if needed. Your next step is to open the Discover activation page and carefully complete each step again. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other credit card troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.